Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to set up Bolt.DIY easily on your local machine. First of all, you will have to navigate to Bolt's GitHub repo. I will leave you guys the link in the description down below. After you do that, you have to scroll down a bit to the setup section. And after you do that, you will have to click on this button, download Bolt, and then click on source code and download it. After it downloads successfully, you will find the zip file inside your download folder. Just right click on it and then click on extract all. After it finishes extracting, you will have this new folder. Just double click on it and get inside the main folder. Now keep in mind, to be able to run Bolt, you will have to install the latest version of Node.js. To do so, you can go to the Node.js website and install it from there. I will leave you guys the link in the description. Now going back to the extracted folder, double click again. Just go here, click CMD. After you do that, follow the next steps. So first of all, just go here and input npm install -g and then pnpm and wait for it to install. After that, just run pnpm install and wait for it to finish the installation. And then after the installation finishes successfully, just write in the command line here pnpm run dev. Before we continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel as that will help us a lot. Thank you. And just like that, you will find that the Bolt server has started in this link. Just copy it, go to your browser and paste the link. You will see that it's still loading some things here, such as the LLM providers. Just give it a bit of time. As you can see here, you will only get this input here and you will not have the option to choose which LLM you're gonna use. So give it a bit of time to finish loading. After it finishes loading, just refresh the page. Once the LLM providers finish loading, you will get these options here to configure. So you will choose your LLM provider from this list. OpenAI, Mistral, everything else here. We'll go with Open Router. I have already set my API key. So if you want to know how, just click on this pen icon here and then input your Open Router key. And then save it. And here you will select the LLM that you're gonna use. We will be going with DB. And then in the chat here, you can tell Bolt to create whatever for you. We will ask it to create a simple to-do list and then hit enter and let it generate. You will see that it's generating the code, and give it a bit of time and your application will appear in the preview tab. And just like that, you got your to-do list application and it's fully functional. So let's add a task. Click add. You will see it in the list. You can delete it or you can check that it has been already achieved. Same for this, we can delete it. And just like that, we got our to-do list working. If you want to edit it, of course, everything is configurable and able to be edited here. So all we have to do is go in the chat. For example, change. I asked to change the title of the project and now wait for it to generate the code for that. And just like that, we have successfully changed the application name to straight to points to-do list. This has been it guys for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.